everyone, welcome to our blog, and today we're sharing our personal experiences and lessons about resilience following the 2013 Bohol earthquake. We'll talk about what we went through, how we coped, and how our community helped us bounce back. Stay tuned as we share our stories and strength of hope.
Bohol earthquake struck on October 15 with a magnitude of 7.2. It caused widespread devastation, damaging homes, infrastructure, and cultural landmarks. Thousands of lives were impacted, and the challenge of recovery tests the resilience of everyone affected.
I was at school when it happened. We ran to an open field and waited anxiously. The hardest part, returning home and seeing our damaged house. It was heartbreaking, but it helps our neighbors. We managed to fix what we could and stay strong.
My experience was different because I was not in Bohol at the time. However, my family here was directly affected. Hearing these stories made me realize how important community support is. I admire their resilience in facing such as challenging time.
Now, let's talk about what we learned from our experience. Resilience is about finding strength, even when things seem impossible.
Amor last time ano.
It also about learning and others working together to overcome challenges.
Here's our advice for staying resilient during disaster. Build strong communities. They make a huge difference. Focus on what you can control and take it one step at a time. Remember to take care of your emotional and physical well-being.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Remember, no matter how tough things get, we can always find strength to rise above. Support each other, stay strong, and keep moving forward. Stay resilient and take care.